Hi students, today's session we are going to see from two basic mathematics exam, Necta 2016 exam. And actually this exam is not different from other exams we have discussed this so far. So the exam has 10 questions. And in this session, we're going to discuss the first 5 questions. So question number 1, I'm not going to repeat instructions because instructions are the same, of course. They are all the same. So we are going to go straight forward to solving questions. Calculate sum of prime numbers between 70 and 90. So you're supposed to, first of all, to find prime numbers between 70 and 90. What are those numbers? The first one, we know that it's 71, 73, 79, 83, 89. These are only prime numbers we have between 70 and 90. So we are going to add them. I'm going to take 71. You're going to take now 71 plus 73 plus 79 plus 83, 89. When you add 1 plus 3, 4, 13, 16, 16 plus 9, you get 25. You go with 2, so it is 9, 16, 23, 31, 39. So sum of all prime numbers is 395, dear friends. Question number 1b, if x equals to 6, y is -4, and z is 16, find the value of z. So we're supposed to find the value of z, x minus y over y plus x. You can say that this is equal to z, which is 16 in the bracket, x is 60 minus -14 over 60 plus -14. This is equal to 16 in the brackets. It is 60 plus 14, 20, divided by 60 minus -4, which is -8. When you simplify by 8, it is -1, by 8 it is 2. So the answer is going to be -40. Question number 2. Lightness, Nancy, and Zawadi shared some money. Zawadi got 5/11 of the money. Nancy got 7/12 of the remaining money. What fraction of the money did Lightness get? So maybe the easiest way we are going to let X be the money. Okay. So we are told that Zawadi got 5/11 of the money. So Zawadi got 5/11 of the money. So after Zawadi, remainder will be xc minus 5/11x, which is 7. You take 11 minus 5, of course, sorry, you get 60 xc/11. Okay. And Nancy got 7/12 of the remaining money. So Nancy actually got 60 xc/11 times 7/12, equals to, you simplify by 6, here is 1, by 6 here is 2, and you get 7 over 22x. So what is the fraction of the manner did lightness get? Now what you're going to do, uh, I'm going to check now. If you take money, the fraction of money given to Nancy plus Zawadi, this is equal to Nancy, it is 7 over 22 xc plus 5 xc, 7 x over 22 plus 5x over 11, which is equal to 7xc over 22 plus 10xc over 22. You get 17xc over 22. So actually, the remaining man now, I'm going to take xc minus 17xc over 22, which is 22xc minus 17xc over 22. And 12 minus 7, you get 5. So you get 5x over 22. So this is the amount of money. This is the money actually given to lightness. And because this is money given to lightness, now the fraction of the money given to lightness is 5x over 22 divided by x again. So you're going to simplify x and x will go. So the fraction required is 5 over 22. I think it is clear. Okay? 5 over 22. Part B of question number 2, question number 2B. In a class of 40 students, 5 of them are absent. What percentage is present? So present here, dear friends, students who are present, present student, you're going to take 40 minus 5. You're going to get 35 students. So percentage of those present, we are going to take number of present student over total number of students. You multiply by 100%. So we're going to take 35 over 40 times 100%. When you simplify, 0, 0 go. By 2, here it is 2, by 2 here is 5. You have 105. Sorry, 5 times 5, 25. 5 times 3, it is 15. 15 plus 2, 17 divided by 2. We get 87.5%. So 87.5% of students are present. Next question, question number 3A. A container holds 20 liters of milk. If 50 bottles of milk are needed to fill the container, a container holds 20 liters of milk. If 50 bottles of milk are needed to fill the container, how many milliliters of milk does each bottle hold? How many milliliters of each bottle hold? So first of all, we are going to check the capacity of the bottle. Capacity of bottle, we are going to take 20 liters divided by 50, and you're going to get 2/5 liters per bottle. And we are going to convert this actually into milliliters, understanding that 1 liter is 1000 milliliters. So capacity of bottle now will be 2/5 multiplied by 1,000 milliliters. When you simplify by 5, it is 1 by 5. Here it is 200. So it means each bottle is going to be 400 milliliters. Each bottle will be 400 milliliters. Go to question number 3B. Question number 3B, calculate the following. So we have 70 kg. Okay, so you have 70 kg. Maybe you can arrange, you can say kg, we can say gram. So you have 70, you have 49, you have 38, you have 950. Okay, so to subtract here, actually, we are going to borrow 1 kg from this side to this side. And when you borrow that one, you're going to have 1049 minus 950. So it is 9. So 4 minus 5, you have to borrow 1 from the other side. So you're going to get actually 14 minus 5. It is 9. Then you have 9 minus 9 remains 0. So here you have 99 gram. And here you have now, actually, if we borrowed 1, so here remains 9. 9 minus 8, you get to 1. And here it was 66 minus 3 will be 3. So the final answer is 31 kg, 99 gram. Next one, you have kilometers and meters. You are going to subtract. So we are going to say kilometers and meters. So you have 6 kilometers, 4 meters, 4 kilometers, 11 meters. So you're going to borrow 1 kilometer from kilometer column. Then you're going to get 1004. You subtract 11. You're going to get 3. 10 minus 1, 9. And here you have 9. So it is 993 meters. 5 minus 1, it is 1 kilometer. So that is our final answer, 1 kilometer and 993 meters. Question number 4, calculate the size of the angles. Mark the X in the following figure. So we have 2 lines which are parallel here, of course. 2 lines which are parallel. So you have many ways actually to do this. You can extend this line, and you can extend also this. So this line here, maybe line AB, we can call it a transversal line. And we know that this angle here is going to be 60 also, because they're going to be alternate angles. So now you have 60 plus 40 plus XC equals to 180 degree. So 100 plus XC, it is 180. XC will be 180 minus 100. So XC will be 80 degrees, dear friends. That is 4A. 4B, use the following figure to find the value of M and N. Okay. So the first triangle here, it is equilateral triangle, as we have seen it here, meaning that this angle here is 60. That is 60 and that one there is 60. So because this is a straight line, we know that 60 plus m is 180 degree. So the value of m will be 180 minus 60 degree. The value of m will be 120 degree. And when we check the next triangle now, it is isosceles triangle. So it means here is n also. So taking m plus n, we are going to get 180 degree. 120 plus 2n equals to 180 degree. 2n will be 180 minus 120 degree. 2n will be 60 degrees, divided by 2 by 2. So the value of n is 30 degree. So that is the value of n. Next question. Question number 5, and the last question for this session. Oh, I'm sorry. We have part 2. Determine the number of triangles. Determine the number of triangles. So how many triangles do we have here? As you can see, here, dear friends, I can sketch it again here. How many triangles do we have? So as we can see, we have 3 triangles. The first triangle is this one here. So this is the first triangle. It is 1. The second triangle is this one here. And the third triangle is this one. So this is the third triangle. Okay. So it means we have 3 triangles. Question number 5, and the last question for this session. Solve for x in the following inequalities. So you have 3x minus 4 greater or equal to x plus 16. You collect like terms, so it will be 3x minus x greater or equal to 16 plus 4. 2x greater or equal to 20, divide by 2 by 2, and x now will be greater or equal to 10. That is solution for given inequality. Last part, solve by elimination method. So to solve this by elimination method, we have to find a way to make sure that either x coefficient of x or y are going to be the same in both equations. So what we're going to do, I'm going to rewrite again. We have 2x plus y equals to 10. 3x minus 2y equals to 1. If you want to eliminate x, I'm going to multiply y. Let us eliminate y. So I'm going to multiply by 1 here. I'm going to multiply by 2. And we're going to have new set of equation, which is 4x plus 2y equals to 20. You have 3x minus 2y equals to 1. So how do we eliminate? We are going to add, of course. So you're going to get 7x equals to 21, divided by 7 by 7, and the value of x will be 3. From equation 2, we have 3x minus 2y. 3x minus 2y equals to 1, and we have x already. So I'm going to put x there. 3 times 3 minus 2y equals to 1. Means 9 minus 2y equals to 1. Collect like terms, so 2y will be equal to 9 minus 1, which is 8. Divided by 2 by 2, y will be 4. Therefore, x is 3 and y is 4. So that is a solution for question number 5, and we are coming to the end of this session. In this session, we discussed the 5 questions from Necta 2016. We are going to continue with other 5 questions in the coming session. Uh, I hope you benefited from this session. So find a way to share with your friends, comment, like, and subscribe to this channel so that you are going to get updates of what is coming later on. Thank you very much, and I wish you all the best in your studies. Enjoy your studies.